In this video, we'll show you how to use the Saramonic system to streamline your use of TC-Neo. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on TC-Neo and activate Bluetooth. Launch Saramonic system, tap the plus sign on the top right corner to add device. With the connection established, you can configure timecode, channel, master and slave roles, frame rate, time format, screen lock time, homepage styles, and screen lock. You may connect up to 48 TC-Neo to Saramonic system for an easier user experience. On top of all these, you may also use the phone app to upgrade the firmware version. Tap the group management icon on the top right corner, find batch update in the pop-up menu, and tap to upgrade the system. Of course, you may also upgrade the firmware with your computer. Connect TC-Neo to your computer first. Then go to Saramonic.com, search TC-Neo in the search bar, download the local update package, and drag the DFU file to TC-Neo. With all these down, go to Firmware on TC-Neo and confirm upgrade now. The timecode generator will then initiate the upgrade, which might take a few minutes. Thank you for watching. If you need more support, please feel free to drop us a message at support@saramonic.com.